Belly fat is more than a cosmetic issue. It can increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes. The dangerous fat is called visceral fat, and it wraps around your internal organs. Poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and inactivity are the main drivers behind belly fat gain.
Foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates trigger insulin spikes that encourage fat storage.
A high-protein diet helps control hunger, preserve muscle, and support fat loss.
Build meals around lean protein, fiber-rich vegetables, and whole grains.
Hydration matters too. Drinking enough water can reduce unnecessary snacking and improve metabolism.
For exercise, consistency beats intensity. Brisk walking for 30 to 45.
Strength training is equally important because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue.
Combining cardio and strength training creates the best long-term results for belly fat reduction. Sleep is often overlooked. Less than 7 hours per night can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and fat storage. Create a consistent sleep routine and avoid screens and heavy meals before bedtime. Stress management also plays a major role. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone linked to abdominal fat accumulation. Small habits repeated daily are more powerful than extreme diets that are hard to maintain. A realistic and healthy rate of fat loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week.
Track progress with waist measurements and how your clothes fit, not just the number on the scale. Belly fat is stubborn despite lifestyle changes. Speak with a healthcare professional to rule out medical fat. Focus on sustainable choices, whole foods, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress control.
The goal is not quick fixes. It's building a healthier body that supports your energy, confidence.
Start with one habit today. Consistency over time is what truly reduces belly fat and improves health.